Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video I would like to dedicate to my hair, and I would like to share with you my review of these brand new for me GHD Platinum Plus Professional Stylers. And if you're interested to see how did that go, then carry on watching. First of all, I would like to mention my previous set of GHDs that unfortunately died after more than 10 years plus serving me, which was a sad day. And but then again, it's time to start with new year and new equipment for sure. So I saw these puppies were available and I decided to invest in them. I do have a very thick hair that is very curly, especially in the back, and it is very coarse. Also, it is flyaway ends, and I don't dye my hair, but I do have some issues with my scalp. I have been diagnosed with the seborrheic dermatitis, which is very unfortunate for me, and I have to resort to use medicated shampoo, and that is not helping improving quality of my hair. Anyway, there's lots of hair, it's very thick. I have to resort to use professional hairstyling. Therefore, when my GHDs died, I knew that I have to try something else. Maybe there will be a miracle, and it wasn't the case. I did spend money, I bought 2 stylists, and they're just gonna go somewhere else to some. And the magic is all in these plates. They are smart plates. They are apparently helping out to heal damaged hair. They did this amazing experiment with the hair that they have used these straighteners on a very damaged hair, and it appeared to be that the straightening them kind of like improved the appearance and they appeared to be healthier. But I would like to share with you my experience with new set of straighteners, so let's just go ahead and start actually testing it. So this is what my hair looks like unworked on. I just air dried it. It took forever, may I add. I currently use this Redken Iron Shape 11 as a heat protector, but it doesn't mean that I'm married to it. It's just something that I use right now. So I have very coarse, dense hair. It is very difficult to deal with, especially the ones that are in the back right here. People do comment that your hair is beautiful, which I'm thankful for, but it is a lot of work. My hair, it's a lot of work. It's not easy. It's not like you washed it and you just got up and you just left the house and looking gorgeous. I would prefer to have less hair, but it's just so happened that I have so much, and it's very thick and dense to the point that I can wash my hair in the evening, go to bed with my hair wet, wake up in the morning, and by noon my hair is still wet, especially here in the back. So it's good and bad in having thick hair for sure. So what I did, I just spritz it with my heat protector. I'm gonna brush my hair once again like that. I just had a haircut not long ago, so hopefully that will work out. So let's have a look at the actual equipment. So this is what it looks like. This is the box. I did open the box and I closed it, so I didn't really open it up before. So let's open it up together again. So this is what you see. These are the straighteners. And get it out of the package. Package includes straighteners themselves, its little protective cup, and we get instructions. Okay, what does the instruction says? It says Good Hair Day Guide. They're giving us ideas how to straighten your hair. Don't squeeze too tightly. It's all about selection. Take your time. If you do have a baby, that is definitely going out of the window. Okay, and it comes in different languages. Okay, so that's that. Also, they have a warranty. I think GHD offers 3 years warranty, which is a long time. This is what we have. This is what they look like. So it's a swivel cord. They're appearing to be very sleek. Okay. This sleeve is made out of rubber, somewhat of a rubber. And I guess this is what they will look like. I've opted out for white. I had my previous GHDs, they were black and they had purple lining. So this is the ones that I have. It says that it just switches itself completely off within 30 minutes if you're not using these straighteners. So there will be no aha moment like, oh my gosh, I left my hair straighteners on and my house will get on fire. Also, they offer quite a lengthy cable, and there is 3 years warranty for these straighteners, which is a lot. So on the box here, it says that it is GHD Platinum Plus, introducing GHD Unbeatable Styler, ultimate styling results and stronger, healthier hair. GHD Platinum Plus are available for $249. However, GHD offers them right now for $199.20 plus tax. So it is not cheap. However, for me, GHDs equals guarantee of a good hair day. So without further ado, let's just begin testing these puppies. I am going to brush my hair and divide it in 2 halves. I'm just gonna make a little pigtail here, like this, looking cute. So this side is gonna be straight. Let's just switch it on. Okay, made sound. It does not appear to be hot to the touch, which is a bonus. So, I guess that's the sign. I'm ready-o. Okay, I do need a hair clip or something. Did you see that? That was flicking amazing. Oh my gosh. My hair is straight. And I haven't even tried that hard, really. Guys, check out the straight, beautiful hair. There is GHD for you. I love it. I am in heaven. Thank you so much for helping me. So this is the straight side. I am really loving this. Ooh. I think every female, if she has straight hair, she wishes to have wavy hair. If you do have wavy hair, you want to have straight hair. If you have thick hair, you want to have thin hair. So it's a female's prerogative to change their mind at all times. And in my case, I wish I had less hair and thinner hair because it would have been a bit more manageable. So far, straightening was amazing. Let's do this side. And this side is going to be curls. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing as I did on the side. I'm going to pin it up like so. this is the result. This is my straight hair side. I think I'll just stand up a little bit so you can see. So this is the straight hair side. It's quite silky. I love this sensation of silky hair, and it gives me the false impression that I don't have as much hair as I do. And this is the quick curls. What do you guys think? I think I know what I'm thinking. I am extremely pleased with my new straighteners. First of all, I like how easy it was to achieve a hair style on the very thick and dense hair like mine. I did not feel like it was pulling my hair, and it was not painful at all. And this is a quick filming. As far as I'm concerned, I'm absolutely loving my new straighteners. I think they are fabulous. They did a good job. They were not pulling my hair. I did not feel like my hair was frying and there was no smoke coming through. And it was easy. That is something that is priceless for me, to achieve a hairstyle that is easy. And this was fabulous. I love it. I'm not sure which side I like best. It is very silky, and it was a quick job because I wanted to film it all for you to see. Nevertheless, I am very excited. I would recommend these. These are fantastic, and I'm saying that on the account that I did had a set of GHDs for a decade plus, and this is for sure a huge improvement from the previous set that I had. And on this fabulous note, I would like to thank you for watching it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what videos will be interested for you, so I can keep up with the program and make something that might interest you. And once again, subscribe, leave me a comment. Would love to hear from you, and I'll see you in my next one. But for now, it's bye-bye.